Hello, welcome to my channel. Connie here. Today I want to show you some unboxing from diamond painting stuff, but it's something different. I got an email from CraftsyArt and they asked me if I want to try some of their things, and I said yes. And I said I really wanted to do some of their other stuff because I looked at their website and I saw they have lots of other things than just diamond paintings. And because I'm slow diamond painter, I thought, well, maybe I try some small things and be quicker. So let's see what I have in this bag. We start with this. It's nice packed in a plastic bag, so that's good, nice and protected. Now I have to take it out. And this is a notebook. And it's nice. I can tell you the size. It's 14 by 20 centimeters, or a little over 5.5 by 8 inches. So, nice format. And the cover has a kind of a leathery look. The paper is a nice cream. It is not too thick, but it feels nice. And it is for notes, so that's okay. And on here you have the plastic protective shield. And it feels nice and sticky, so yeah. I like it. I love the design with the butterfly. And here you have your package with your diamond painting tools. So you have your little tray and your red blocks and your pen to pick up your diamonds. Put it aside. And here are the drills. And yeah, I have to film this with my light on, so it is very shiny in the back, so I'm sorry for that, but it's the best I can do at the moment. On this side, on the backs, are the corresponding numbers that are on here. So you have your 02, and you can see that is in the blue flowers. I can zoom in a little more, but then it will be more difficult to see because there's more glare. I'm trying. This is the best I can do. So it's really clear which diamonds go where. It's nice and easy to see, so that's not a problem. And I go this side because then you see the diamonds better. And this is a nice AB color, and they are in this nice yeah, how do you call it, a baguette shape or something. And this is nice blue, and the same in purple. And then you have these rounds who have a nice star shape in the middle, and bigger rounds and drops. These are in a drop model, and they are kind of gold, light gold, and the same shape but in a nice light blue AB, and some bigger of those. Yeah, nice shapes, and orange AB rounds, and silver rounds, but different than this one, and red and green, and nice shiny orange, and a lighter green, and a gold color. So yeah, love them. I think it will be a very nice notebook. So, and there's one more thing in the package. Sorry for the crackling. You know the diamond stuff. Always nice and crackling. And oh, I think these are nice. I have not tried any of them, but these are keychains. And here is the chain, and it goes through the little hole in here. And then you put on the little hook. And then you close it here with a ball chain. And you're handy like me, it's difficult. So, like so. And here is your nice keychain. And you can diamond paint this on both sides, so that will be very nice and shiny. And you can hang them on your back or on your trousers or in your Christmas tree even. I think they will be nice. So I'm really looking forward to try this. There are 4 in the pack. So there is a Christmas tree. There is a deer. And you can see the numbers very, very good on these things. And then, yeah, as I said, both sides. And there is a Santa. And there's a snowman. And again, there is your tool bag, your tray, your wax, some extra zip baggies, and your pen. And then, of course, there are your drills. And again, the numbers are on the back, so that you know where to put them. But for this one, I think it's very clear that the star shape goes on a star, so like here on top of the Christmas tree. But the numbers are on there. And I look at the back because you see the drills a little better, and these are beautiful. These are little white IB stars. They are stunning. I'm so sorry the camera is not picking it up. And here are drops again, red AB, and here are the bigger star one in AB. I think you can see them a little in the back. If I should open it, you could see it a little better, I think, but yeah, I don't want to mix up my colors. Here is the red, big ones, and small blues, dark reds, and greens. Oh, and the white AB, they are so nice. It will not pick up on the camera, but they are really beautiful. More reds, yellows, silver, and the silver have a black back, so that they shine even more, I think, and gold. So yeah, really nice. So if you look at the CraftsyArt website, you can see they have a lot of stuff. They have Christmas cards, who are really nice. They have paintings, and yeah, a lot of stuff. They have bags, bookmarks, keychains, even Christmas notebooks. So a lot of stuff to choose from. Here are the keychains that I got from them. They have different tools and supplies for your diamond painting, so I hope you will take a look at their website. They have really nice stuff. I leave a link in the description box, and there is even a coupon code. If you use that, you got a 6% off of your order, so that is nice. I have an affiliated link there, so I get a very, very tiny bit to help my channel if you use that link. So thank you if you do that. I hope you take a look. I will make some of the things and show you when I'm done. So thank you for watching. Maybe till next time. Bye bye for now.